So you're going for Czech permanent residency? Then you've got to pass the A2 exam. Let's break it down. We've got everything you need to know about this test, which becomes mandatory in April 2026. Here's what we'll cover: the exam, its written and oral parts, the scoring, and some key logistics. Basically, this test is all about checking your skills for everyday Czech communication. Simple as that. The exam's broken into two big sections, a written part and, you guessed it, a speaking part. All right, let's dive into the written section first. It's actually made up of 3 different components. Check out the timing for each part. You're really switching gears between different skills pretty quickly. In the reading part, it's all about showing you can understand what you're actually reading in Czech. The writing part is super practical. Filling out a form and writing a short email. Then for the listening test, you've got to really tune in and catch details from audio clips. Okay, let's talk about the oral exam. It's only 15 minutes, but wow, is it important. Yeah, this is your chance to prove you can actually chat and handle real-world situations in Czech. So the big question, how do you pass? Let's get into the scoring because this is super important. You can see right away that speaking carries the most weight. That's definitely an area to focus on. The rule is simple. You need to score at least 60% on the combined written part and the oral part. For everything written, that magic number you're aiming for is a combined total of 42 points. And when it comes to the speaking test, you need to hit a minimum of 24 points. And listen, this is a big deal. Fail one part, and you have to retake the whole exam. All right, last but not least, let's cover some key logistics you'll need for the exam itself. So, what's the cost? Well, the standard fee is 3,200 Czech crowns to take it. When you register, you'll need all this info. Just make sure everything you provide is spot on. Registration is all done online. After that, you just wait for an email with your exam details. And if things don't go your way the first time, you can only try 3 times per year. For more info, definitely check out the official website. They even have a full practice test. So now you know what the E2 exam is all about. The real question is, are you ready to prepare?